there is a blanket of gases in the atmosphere that help trap heat under them. And over time, over the 4 billion year history of the Earth, there are times when tropical animals have roamed the poles, and there are times when it's arguably even been almost a ball of snow and ice. And we have an increasing understanding of the various effects that produce this. For the last 10,000 years, however, pretty much since the dawn of agriculture, and that may or may not be a coincidence, the thickness of that blanket, which traps warmth under it, has been pretty constant, and in particular at about 280 parts per million of carbon dioxide. But beginning about the late 1700s and accelerating rapidly this century, particularly the last half of this century, as we have burned more and more fossil fuel and put more and more CO2 into the atmosphere, that blanket has thickened. At the moment, it's about 380 parts per million, and it's headed by the middle of the century for about 500. The last time the greenhouse blanket was that thick was 20 to 50 million years ago, and when things came to equilibrium with that thickness, which takes quite a time, 100 years typically, sea level was about 300 feet higher. Now that's not going to happen overnight, but that gives some scale of the problem.